Alright, y'all. I see what I'm doing. Always doing some kind of dish. Alright, y'all. Y'all see what it is today. I don't know if y'all know what them is. They are shrimps. Air fry shrimps. Okay, yes, that's what I did today. Alright, coming up with something all the time. Checking out good stuff. Alright, so that's all. I had to come show y'all that before I get ready to get busy. You know me. So that's what I'm working with today. That's what I'm bringing y'all this video and showing y'all. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long on this one. So just a quick pop in and pop out. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, people, don't forget to like the video, share it. Appreciate all the things y'all do. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to watch the next one up in the corner. Alright. I appreciate all y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna end this. I'm out. Peace. Alright, you see it ain't no more left. I done tore that stuff up, man. I wasn't playing around with it, so I'm gone to show y'all the end results of me tearing that food up. Okay, everybody take care, be safe. I'm out. Until the next one.